Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ki nongyalam ka Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad niki ABVP mentaka janmit ka arpusantrik ulubayar arajar arpusaw halin ka jingjia ka bala jia hanehu kilawan shalong press club manai ka jing pensyai halor ka ni ka jingkeno ba ki ba sho yo vice president ka nehu su kidai kid khot jong ka kinhon habakren shikilat pathai khubor uskratri ke ABVP utengku marak ulaong bagani ka jingkeno jong vice president ka nehu su kalong ka bamdei bat ka babakla ha ka bakila kentat bagi khot jong ke ABVP kidon kti halor kani ka jingjia kini kinong yalam ke ABVP kile thoru baki don kumba saungut kibas dang ban rakti weu samla puli de kitiar penmensaw kat ba kidang yale kemen holy kila kenoru ba kila don ke jingkmu lepa nadu ningkong ban penmi ya ke jing huri hura nakaliang kini ka seng kila kentat mardor ya kini ka jingkeno jong nong yalam ke ni husu bat ong bakim don benta halor kini ka jingkeno.
My name is Tengku Emra. I'm the State Secretary of ABVP Meghalaya. So here now we are for the press conference regarding the allegation made by the Nihusu Vice President against the ABVP organization. As we all know that, so the recent press has been given by him. So we have seen that in his press conference, it was completely forced and packed. So he gave a statement that the incident had happened in the new campus during the Holi celebration. Actually, I was also there from the beginning till the end. So the statement given by the Vice President of Nihusu against the ABVP is completely false, and it is 100% completely false because we were celebrating very well and peacefully. We all were enjoying the celebration of Holi, but in the middle of the celebration, they came to the sport and they attacked somebody else, means the one guy. So we don't know what is going on. But after a few minutes, we saw that there is a conflict going on and there is a fighting going on. So we ran up to there and we tried to save that guy. But in his statement, he said that so ABVP member beaten him up and attacked him. But it was completely false, and he'll have to prove who actually beaten him up. Otherwise, we'll file a defamation case regarding this because he blamed our organization. He take our organization without knowing the fact. And my question is to him, because he said that ABVP member attacked him. Who actually attacked him? He'll have to bring to us. He'll have to give the name of the person who exactly attacked him. And we received the information that he made an allegation against the ABVP organization. So he said that we attacked them before. First, but we were in the sport and we know each and everything. I was in the program from the beginning till the end. So the security was also told us that they called to them, and they the vice president of Nihusu called them to come to the sport because he said that there is something going to happen during the celebration of Holi. It means they have a pre-planned, they have made a common intention among them to attack during the celebration of Holi festival. So the statement gives, we don't even touch his body. Nobody touched his body. How can he say that he was hospitalized now? He got injured. We don't believe that. And he'll have to prove. And I want to say, if he knows that it was attacked by the ABVP member, why he did not file an FIR against a particular person? Because the court will bring the justice. Court will reveal the truth. So I want to say, it is a completely false and wrong, and they are playing a politics against the ABVP organization. because they are trying to bring the bad names to our organization, and they'll have to prove who actually attacked him. Otherwise, for blaming our organization, will file a defamation case against them. He was attacked by Hindu people or Hindu organization. I'm also a Christian. Okay, so I was also a part of that program because my friends invited me. So from the beginning till the end, I was also there. Okay, so I was just talking to my friends, but suddenly we saw the fighting, and we ran to that spot and we tried to control the situation and we tried to save that guy who was getting attacked.
So do you have any idea why was he beating that guy?
We don't have any idea how it started. Because I have already mentioned that in my statement, because they had made a pre-plan to attack during the celebration. Because security was also told us that they called them before starting the program. They have called to the security to come to the spot and told them that there is something going to happen during the celebration. That means they have made a pre-plan. We can understand that.
FIR against him. So what's your say on that?
Kamlesh was not fighting against him. Okay, so we were in the midst of the confliction, and we were trying to save the guy. Okay, one guy was beating him up, and we were trying to save him during the conflicts. It was wrong.
So if you said that you tried to save him, then how you will allege that he is the main person then, if he is not part of the incident?
Who?
That Gamble.
Kamlesh?
Kamlesh.
No.
Because
He was also trying to control the situation. He didn't attack anyone. He didn't start any quarrel. He didn't start any conflicts during the celebration of Holi.
So you are part there. You
Yeah.
also were there. So
I was also there.
You can tell us how it happens from the beginning.
We don't know, we didn't see that who is attacked first, okay, for that, because we are busy in the celebration of the Holi program. So that's why after that, because we are celebrating that program, okay. So if someone is fighting there, so we have to control them. So that's why he also controlled them, but he didn't touch him. He didn't fight with him. So we don't know actually. He already told before that. Even security also tell us that before they get a call from that Nehusu only. So they came back. There will be something will happen there. So it means they have some plan. We didn't call the security, but the place we have that program. Even they have another place. But why they came to our place to do that means the bad thing.
any materials you're saying?
Even like that which will make a building. So he even tried to beat that one person. So that time we have to save, because in our program they came to do this thing. So we have to save. So that's why we saved them.
Now, how can you say that we attack them first? What logic they are using? If they bought material like this, nobody can believe them. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.